strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf.
Hello guys, welcome back to my workshop. Today we have another add-on for my Benelli TRK 502X. This time it's a generic toolbox from AliExpress that fits most side cases racks. It's similar to the ones from GV and SW Motec that cost a lot of money. This one is about 30 euros, so very nice. The installation is very simple. Just 3 connectors that are fixed into the side case rack with 3 screws. These are anti-loosening screws, but on the inside of the box there are 4 screws that I recommend to use a bit of glue, as always. So the first thing we should do is to find the most adequate location for the toolbox. A little bit of screw glue, as always, like I said. You should start installing the box without totally tightening the screws. Let them a bit loose so you can find the best position for the box. This will depend, of course, of which rack your bike has. For now, this location is good. Gonna try to tighten just a little bit so it doesn't fall. And on the other side. Tight a bit also. I need another wrench to tighten this one. In fact, 2 wrenches, one of each side, an Allen wrench and a regular one. It's very simple. Just a little bit. Needs to come up a lot more. Like this. Okay, so a little bit more tightening. And trying to level it along with the side cases rack, of course. This way it will look better in the end, after installation, of course. Almost there. So on the rear side of the bike it will be a little bit tight because there isn't much space available due to the side case rack being a bit in the way of the toolbox. To the front it is okay, no problem. I am going to tighten the interior 4 screws now. The same ones that I put a little bit of screw glue, because I don't want them to get loose, of course. Right? Things are really tight here in the back. Let me show you. It is because of this rear rack and the upper rack, the fixation points it is, but I think it will be okay. Here we have the door for the toolbox, and it doesn't close because of this little screw from the original rack of the side cases. So I turned this little screw and nut around, and that gave me a few extra millimeters that I can now close the toolbox door. Here, there's the little key. There's 2 keys. Nice. Very nice. This is the final installation look. What do you guys think? Looks good and is very, very useful to put all my tools and even the air pump, just in case I have a flat tire. This screw is a little bit too big. I will try to get a smaller one next time. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you next time.